Edo governor don talk say asset verification na fact-finding exercise and not be witch hunt. The governor, Senator Gov Okpebholo, yarned this one on Tuesday when he launched a 16-member asset verification committee wey dey led by Dr. Ernest Afolabi Umahiye. The committee go confirm the existence, condition, location and ownership of all the state assets. For the event wey shele for Esco Chamber, Government House, Benin City, the governor come talk say the committee no go use the exercise to target anybody but to help fight corruption, which na part of im mandate as a governor. He come talk say before they swear at him on November 12, 2024, he set up transition committee to gather all the needed information for smooth handover of government. The committee wey Dr. Pius Odubu lead don submit report, and based on the report, he see say it is necessary to create this committee to know the true status of all Edo assets. He come talk say this asset verification no be for witch hunting, na to confirm the existence, condition, location and ownership of all assets, whether dem dey movable or non-movable, tangible or intangible, and say im trust the 16-member committee to do thorough check and bring back updated record of Edo State assets.
Today we are gathered here to formally inaugurate the Edo State Asset Verification Committee, which we consider as a very timely development for this administration. Prior to my inauguration on the 12th of November 2024, I did set up the transition committee to collect all necessary information for seamless handover of government. That committee, which was headed by former Deputy Governor Dr. Pius Odubu, have since submitted its report. Based on the report, we have found it necessary to set up this committee to establish the true status of our asset as a state. This asset verification exercise is therefore a process that will confirm the existence, condition, location, and ownership of all assets, whether fixed or movable, tangible, and intangible assets. We are trusting this committee to do a thorough check and provide us with updates recorded of items stolen or items misplaced from the past government. I want to also assure you that this exercise is not intended to witch hunt anybody, but to strengthen the fight against corruption, which is part of my mandate as a governor, to ensure accountability and transparency in government.
Dr. Ernest Afolabi Umahiye, chairman of the committee, for im part come talk say the committee na fact-finding mission to check the condition of wetin the current government inherit since November 12, 2024. Oga Afolabi Umahiye come still talk say as part of the transition committee, dem see some gaps, and the 16-member committee go use this opportunity to fill the gaps to make sure say everything dey transparent. He come talk say dem go gather full details of the ongoing project across the state, including financial and non-financial sides of government, to make sure say dem present the facts as e be.
First, I want to appreciate you, Mr. Governor, for making this task easy, even as it is a very difficult one. By the persons of pedigree you have carefully selected to serve on this committee. I want to assure you that our duty is to present to you an accurate, transparent, and of course, error-free document that you see and work on as the state of affairs as at 12th of November 2024. As you have rightly stated, this is a fact-finding exercise. It's not fault-finding. We are not out to witch hunt anybody. You have made our task very easy. And during the transition committee, for which some of us were members, we saw a lot of gaps, either for records not presented or for the scanty records that we got. Either by omission or commission. It's our duty as a committee to get the details, to unravel those very details that will form the accurate presentation of records of assets and liabilities, financial and non-financial assets of the state government. And we assure you that you will get as in a couple of weeks definitely. And as we know that you are eager to run with development in this state, and it will present you a pathway to your developmental agenda. We need to know where we are before we know where we are going to. I want to assure you that the confidence you have reposed in us will not fail you and will deliver accurate and timelessly.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Government House, Benin City, Ekata Ojisele, TMC TV News.